Good morning. Survival cooking, coffee. Okay, these are coffee singles. They're like a little tea bag, except they're a coffee bag. I can get them at Walmart. They come in a box like that, except there's two to the box. So look for a bigger box than that. And I've already heated my water because I like to do that. And now I'm going to submerge the bag. Now the instructions on here say for microwave to put the bag in and then heat up the bag and coffee or water at the same time. I have an issue with that because and I tried it just to make sure, and well, if it runs a little bit long, if you're and it did seem to heat up faster, and it boils over, then you have boiled over coffee stains all over your microwave tray. So I advise against that. Just put the water in by itself and heat it up good and hot. If it boils over, then you have a little bit of water on your tray. It's not a bad thing. It gives you a chance to clean it off. But this is a good way to do it. If it doesn't quite boil, then that's okay. Coffee really doesn't need boiling water like tea does, but it'll make a good cup. Well, as good as Folgers gets. So you can play with it and dunk it and squeeze it up against the sides and just let it go for a while. 4 minutes is what is nationally known as the amount of time for brewing coffee. The standard way of doing it just says put the bag in the cup, add boiling water, and let it sit for 60 seconds. Dunk bag up and down for 15 seconds. For a stronger, more robust flavor, dunk the bag longer. Well, dunking doesn't seem very efficient to me. Mashing it up against the side to get all the goodness out of the bag and then dunking it down again seems more efficient to me. But when you get done, pull the bag out and squeeze all the final goodness out and trash the tea bag, coffee bag, and enjoy your morning coffee. This is a great survival feature. I really like these bags. They get me started in the morning. Well, there you go. I'm going to go have my coffee.